Assalamu alaikum, hello viewers. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information. I'm Dr. Yusuf, and this episode number 139, I will talk about the machine learning. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this episode, I discuss two main points. Point number 1, what is machine learning? And point number 2, what are the types of machine learning? Point number 1, what is machine learning? Machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence and enable machines to step into a mode of self-learning without being programmed explicitly. Machine learning enable program can learn, grow and change by themselves when exposed to new data. The examples of machine learning: facial recognition, product recommendation or recommended system, email automated spam filtering, data visualization, search engine optimization, social media optimization, predictive analytics, healthcare advancement, and mobile voice to text and predictive text. Point number 2, what are the types of machine learning? There are 5 types of machine learning. Number 1, supervised machine learning. Number 2, unsupervised machine learning. Number 3, self-supervised machine learning. Number 4, semi-supervised machine learning. Number 5, reinforcement machine learning. Here I explain each types of machine learning one by one. Number 1, supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning is the most common types of machine learning that it label data set to train algorithms to predict outcomes and recognize patterns. The example of supervised learning: image recognition, recommendation system or fraud detection. Type number 2, unsupervised machine learning. Unsupervised machine learning is a type of machine learning that learns from the data without human supervision. The example of unsupervised machine learning is anomaly detection, customer segmentation, recommendation engine, and clustering. Type number 3, self-supervised learning. Self-supervised machine learning is a machine learning process where the model trains itself to learn one part of the input from another part of the input. It is also known as a predictive or pretext learning. Natural language processing and computer vision are the example of self-supervised machine learning. Type number 4, semi-supervised machine learning. Semi-supervised machine learning is a branch of machine learning that combines supervised and unsupervised machine learning by using both labeled and unlabeled data to train artificial intelligence model for classification and regression tasks. The example of semi-supervised machine learning is speech recognition, web content classification, and data text mining. Type number 5, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement machine learning is a branch of machine learning that teaches agent how to make decisions by interacting with an environment to achieve a goal. The example of reinforcement machine learning is robotics, video games programming. Reinforcement learning is also used in healthcare automated medical diagnosis. That's the end of the episode number 139. In this episode, I discussed 2 points. Number 1, what is machine learning? And number 2, what are the types of machine learning? Stay connected with 5 Minutes Information. Thanks for watching till the end.